And there it is, guys. It's beautiful. The Insta 360 camera. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing the Insta 360 camera. Now this camera will be mostly used for the Tesla autopilot videos, but I will try to maximize and use it for other things. In the box, it comes with some stickers. It comes with the SD card, the memory card. I believe this is 120. And then there it is. That is the actual box. Now, I'm sorry because I'm trying to unbox it with one hand, but there it is, Insta 360 X3, the newest version. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it from the back. So I already got it cut up a little bit to make sure the one-handed video doesn't get ruined. This camera will make the autopilot videos go to the next level. It would be just amazing to see not only the inside perspective but the outside of what the car sees. So that should be pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside this box. There it is. That is the camera. Now, as you can see, it has a bigger screen than the X2. So that is the biggest takeaway from the new version of the camera. There is the same two cameras on each side. I believe the battery is a little bit bigger. We're gonna go ahead and put the camera to the side and take a look at what's under the box and what else comes in it. So let's take a look. Let me open this up real quick. So let's see, it should be the charger and then just like a manual and some instructions. So there's a charger, regular USB. We've seen those before. It's the same charger as the X2. Oh, drop the box. So this next item is like a pouch or a little bag for the camera to make sure you can carry it around and it's safe and protected. Now, it is not a camera protector itself. You do have to buy that separately. It does not come in this package, but it does the job when you have to just storage the camera in a bag or a suitcase. It does pretty good. Let's see what we got next. So the usual, so we actually have a cleaner of the lenses, so that's pretty good, a cloth, and then some paperwork, the usual stuff that they send you with, and then some more stickers. Nothing too bad. Now, speaking of price, this package that I chose, which brings the invisible selfie stick and the 128 micro SD memory card, costs a total of $486 plus tax. So you're looking at around $520 total for this package. Now, is it worth that money? We will find out and we'll see as we go along. Here we are unboxing the invisible selfie stick. Now, obviously, the selfie stick is not invisible, but the tech around the camera makes it invisible as you're recording, which is pretty cool. It's just, they just use technology to make the selfie stick disappear. That's pretty neat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the specs on the screen, but just off the bat, you guys can see that it has obviously the 360 mode, which is famous for. It has 5.7K at 30 frames per second, 24 frames per second, and 25 frames per second. 4K video at 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. It has a bitrate of 120, and it has a bunch of different modes: standard, HDR, time lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, and much more. It also comes with 3 microphones in comparison to the X2. So what we're doing now is we're putting in the micro SD card, and the slot is under the battery, so we do need to remove the battery in order to do that. Once we put the battery in, we're going to turn this bad boy on and really see what it's capable of. Now, as soon as you turn it on, you can see there's so many modes that the camera really offers, so many things to configure, and so many settings that personally I will not get to use because I really only want it for the 360 mode on the car. But I'm sure people can benefit, people that skydive, people that ski, people that swim and do all these extreme activities and record them. I'm sure so many people are going to find so many useful ways for them to use this camera. Take a look at how we can admire the beauty of South Florida from just one spot. The camera is not moving, nobody is moving it. This is what technology does. That is just amazing. The autopilot videos are gonna be great. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.